Hey, this is James over at TheZeroBasedBudget.com. I want to show you how to get into our software and budget as fast as possible. As soon as you log in, you can click Use Demo Budget, or you can start from scratch, but to get up and running, we're going to use the demo budget. Okay, so once you're in, we essentially create categories for you already with the associated line items. Let's say you make more money or less money. You can say you make, let's say, $5,000 a month instead of $4,000 a month. This means you have $1,000 left over. And let's say now you're going to save $1,465 instead of what you were prior to that. You can add transactions, you can delete transactions. So let's say I want grocery shopping today. I can go over here and I can add a transaction. I'm going to say I went to Meijer today. I spent $200. Today's the 26th. So I'm adding a transaction. So now you can see I went to Meijer on 4/26. It was $200. And now I can see, I only have $400 left to spend for the rest of the month. So you did all the hard work of setting up your budget. It works. It's working really well. But you go to the next month and you say, well, I don't want to have to redo this. I mean, I wouldn't want to have to redo it either. We have you covered. You can copy your budget from your previous month. You can also, you can go as far as you want if you want to select the month and the year. But in this case, let's just say, let's roll over this budget. We'll also see that it tells you that you're in a future month since we're in May. And everything gets rolled over. It is absolutely incredible, including the spending schedule, which we haven't talked about. But when you roll over a budget, your transactions don't get rolled over, but your scheduled dates all get rolled over. So if you have a subscription that comes out on like the 5th, when you go to roll over your budget, that'll also roll over to the 5th of next month. Let's talk about the spending schedule. This tool, hands down, super incredible. Super helpful at managing your cash flow. You'll be the cash flow king and or queen. It's going to be incredible. You're absolutely going to love it. This shows you your money over time. As you can see, it starts at the 1st, goes all the way to the end of the month. You'll know what your buffer is, which is this thing at the top. It's what you roll over to the next month. Will be for the following month if you were to perfectly follow your budget. And if not, it'll change on the fly as you make changes to your budget. Let's look at this person who's getting paid monthly. In the spending schedule, we're able to split that line item. So if this person makes $5,000 a month, we're able to say they get paid on the 1st and the 15th. But you could change this however you want, and it would split it evenly for you, which is very, very helpful. For example, we go grocery shopping once a week pretty much. Granted, it's not usually on a Tuesday, usually probably like on a Saturday, which we could change if we wanted to. I could change these all to Saturdays, and you can see that it splits it evenly for us. All right, we made our way on over to the spending insights, another very, very helpful feature. This feature essentially lets you know what's going on with your categories. So as you can see, 27% of my income is being saved. That would be really freaking incredible. Kudos to you if you are doing that. But after that, it shows you my housing. In this example would be 25%, transportation, 11%, food, 10%, and so on. This just lets you know what's going on and where you can optimize. A very, very helpful feature in my opinion. We do have some resources and materials under tutorial. This just kind of gives you some insight on what zero-based budgeting is and some helpful information and just some thought process on, how to get up and running if this video was not enough. We also have a Discord, which you can join, and a Facebook if you have any questions or concerns, and you can email me at this contact address right here. We also have a mobile web app experience, and you can follow these instructions below for your device if you're on Safari or Android and Chrome and what have you. But essentially, you can use our website just like a mobile app. You don't need to go through the App Store. You can download it right here. It is very, very convenient, and it'll work just like any other app you have on your phone. We are offering a 14-day free trial for all new users, but we are a premium service, and I hope our tools reflect that. And if you don't believe that, send me an email and let me know why. Our monthly pricing is $9.99 a month, or our annual plan starts at $65 a year. My opinion, much more bang for your buck. Same great tool, just better benefits for you when it comes to your finances. I'm not sure what you're waiting for. Change your financial future for you and your family today.